Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Sakshi Rangna Gaikwad. I am studying in second year of Civil Engineering of GE Polytechnic. During this project, we are guided from Professor Harsha Shinde ma'am, and this project made by Gaikwad Sakshi Rangnath, Gaurav Bajrao Shinde, Garbudve Vijay Madhukar. My topic name is Temporary Bridge. In this content, we can see what is meant by temporary bridge, what is bridge, what are the temporary bridge, what are the temporary bridges made of. First of all, we see what is the mean by temporary bridge. Temporary bridge is a lay term for any floating module structure. They are generally used during period of construction when regularly available pedestrian or vehicular bridges have become inaccessible. Then the next one. Temporary bridge types have been many and varied, but 20th century was dominated by Barry Bridge designed by Sir Donald Collier Bailey at the beginning of World War II. Now we see what is bridge, what is meant by bridge. A bridge is a structure that permits us to cross over an obstacle. Suppose we lay a plank across a brook. If we have a bridge, if the planks in relation to its length, it will sag. In fact, if it is too long, it will collapse. This shows that we must consider the weight of bridge itself, the dead load. If we stand at the middle at the plank, it sags even more. So, we must provide for the weight of whatever our bridge is designed to carry, the live load. Also, when you walk across the plank, it bounces under you, insulating the effect of moving live load. Finally, there is a wind load. A strong wind pushes against the slide, lifts the deck, shakes the whole structure. Centrally, the force of wind is something is keep in mind. Bridges help us to connect to each other and the world. There are 5 types of bridges. First is beam bridge, second one is arch bridge, suspension bridge, cable stayed bridge, and dangerous driving. First of all, we see the beam bridge. There you see the 2 pictures of beam bridge. First one is basic beam bridge and second is actual beam bridge. Arch bridge, basic arch bridge and actual arch bridge. This is also a type of arch bridge. This is also one type of bridge. You can see this. There are 2 types of suspension bridge, basic suspension bridge and actual suspension bridge. There are 2 types of cable stayed bridge. First one is basic cable stayed bridge and second one is actual cable stayed bridge, Clark Bridge, Alton 11. Now we see what are the temporary bridges. First, developed for military use, temporary bridges are pre-engineered modular structures that can be used to cross anything from drainage, ditches, streams and trenches to railway lines, or alternative pipes that are buried close to the surface. For the most part, temporary bridges are used to provide site access for construction, vehicles and operatives, and are often seen bridging small culverts, rivers or sections of uneven terrain. terrain at the sites of major ways. On large building sites, there are generally between 4 and 12 meter long. And can be flat packed for easy transportation and storage. Now, there are many types of bridges. First, we see the temporary pedestrian bridge. Temporary pedestrian bridges are used to maintain access during construction project, cross uneven or boggy ground, or ford obstacles so that pedestrians can go about their daily lives without too much disruption. Temporary pedestrian bridges are also used to ensure that foot traffic can reach inaccessible areas of the construction site. Temporary trench crossing. Smaller than the average temporary bridge, a temporary trench crossing, we also call temporary trench bridge U, is a short fabricated unit that can be installed in under 15 minutes. They are lightweight enough to be carried by forklift, but we rated to carry heavy traffic and can be installed side by side to create a wider crossing for cranes and large construction vehicles. Now we see the second one. Large temporary bridges are often used to cross rivers, railway lines or other impassable obstacles. They tend to have a... Now we see the large temporary bridge. Large temporary bridges are often used to cross rivers, railways, lines or other impassable obstacles. They tend to have a stronger, more complex framework and generally compact as set of pre-made sections that can be fixed together until the desired length is achieved. Large temporary bridges can be used to reroute road traffic during construction projects or allow heavy vehicles access to oil, mining or quarrying sites located in rural area. Technically speaking, temporary bridges can be constructed from anything that is strong, flexible and durable enough to bear the weight is rated for. Historically, they have been built from crane, mats, timber or scaffold. Nowadays, most temporary bridges are made of galvanized or powder coated steel, fabricated and then installed in a number of modular sections. The floor panels are normally textured or coated to ensure that they are skid resistant, and sturdy steel barriers are installed to guarantee that the bridge meets all necessary safety standards. Temporary bridges are also a very cost-effective solution to site access problem. In many cases, it's very expensive to reroute, fill or pave over culverts, draining trenches or stream, and a temporary bridge allow you bypass this work in favor of relatively low cost, hassle-free solutions. We see what are the temporary bridges made of. These 3 points are very important for this temporary bridge. Now we see the next one. Thank you for listening this presentation, this video. Thank you so much.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.